Hey folks, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Now today we have Jay and Mitch flying their drones here, back there. And they got some epic stuff going down here, guys, and you guys are gonna see some FPV. It's a really fast drone running on 4-cell LiPo. And Mitch has his 110 FPV running on 2-cell. And it's a Blade Torrent 110. And we're gonna have lots of fun today. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose.
Cheers. See if I can pick you up again.
Oh, whoa! Oh,
Punch out.
damn, that thing was solid.
Why am I cracking the ground when I do that? Oh, I'm totally low battery.
So the drone is stuck somewhere, and we know where it is, and we're gonna go find it. That's where it's at.
I saw this. It's like frozen in its position. I was cutting through here. I was trying to.
Whoa! Just a little bit of damage. That's Mitch, and that's Jay. The drone champ.